Welcome back to Classic Cars, where we explore the most iconic and unique vehicles that have left their mark on the automotive world. Today, we're taking a look at a car that's close to the hearts of many in India, the Hindustan Contessa. Known as the Indian muscle car, the Contessa is a symbol of a time when the country's automotive scene was undergoing a transformation. But in 2025, this legendary vehicle is making a comeback, and we're here to dive into what makes it so special. The Hindustan Contessa was first launched in the early 1980s and quickly became an icon. It was the car that symbolized luxury and power in a time when most cars on Indian roads were more practical than stylish. With its sleek design and powerful engine, the Contessa was the dream car for many. Fast forward to 2025, and Hindustan Motors is reviving this classic car, blending its vintage charm with modern technology. The 2025 Contessa retains the bold, muscular stance that made the original model so recognizable. The design has been carefully updated to maintain the classic silhouette while adding new-age touches like LED headlights, a sleeker grille, and a more aerodynamic body. The car now looks more modern without losing the essence of what made it so iconic. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, at the past meeting the future. Under the hood, the new Contessa is anything but ordinary. While the original model came with a range of engines, including a petrol-powered 1.5 liters and a diesel variant, the 2025 version is equipped with a more powerful and efficient engine. The 2025 Hindustan Contessa comes with a 2.0 liters turbocharged engine that offers an impressive 200 horsepower, a significant jump from the 80s models. This new engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving it a raw, engaging driving experience that will remind you of the old-school muscle cars of the 70s and 80s. But it's not just about power. Hindustan Motors has integrated modern technologies to make the Contessa a more comfortable and practical car for today's world. The cabin features leather upholstery, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The new Contessa also comes with an array of safety features like ABS, airbags, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. It's clear that while the car pays homage to its past, it's more than capable of handling the demands of the modern road. On the road, the 2025 Contessa offers a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable. With its updated suspension and chassis, it's far more refined than the original. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking sharp turns in the city, the Contessa feels solid, responsive, and engaging. The turbocharged engine provides plenty of torque, making it feel agile and quick, while the sound of the engine is still that signature growl that muscle car enthusiasts adore. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Hindustan Contessa is the fact that Hindustan Motors is keeping its legacy alive while introducing modern features. It's a car that evokes memories of a simpler time, yet it's equipped with all the tools you need to enjoy the driving experience today. With a limited run planned for the new Contessa, it's expected to be a highly sought-after collector's item in the coming years. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Hindustan Contessa? It's a perfect example of how a classic car can evolve while staying true to its roots. It's a tribute to an era of automotive history, and yet it's ready to face the challenges of today's world. The Contessa continues to be a symbol of pride for car lovers and collectors alike, and this revival is sure to keep its legacy alive for generations to come. Thank you for watching Classic Cars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and leave a comment below to let us know what you think about the 2025 Hindustan Contessa. See you in the next video.